Haiper AI has been making waves as a free AI video generator, but is it really worth your time? Today we're diving into what this tool offers and if it lives up to the hype. Let's find out. Haiper AI is designed to simplify video creation using artificial intelligence, targeting content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to produce engaging videos quickly. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible even for those without prior video editing experience. It can generate videos from text prompts, which sounds promising, but how well does it actually deliver? One standout feature is its ability to create videos in various styles, but there's noticeable lack of detailed customization options. While it does provide templates, advanced users might find them limiting. The output quality is decent for social media use, but it might not meet the expectations of professionals looking for high-end production. One area that feels a bit vague is the processing speed and how it handles larger projects. Users may find themselves waiting longer than expected, which can be frustrating when you're on a deadline. Overall, while the concept is solid, it leaves some questions about efficiency and flexibility. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Haiper AI is free, which is a huge draw for budget-conscious creators. The ease of use makes it accessible to beginners, and the AI-generated video concept is quite innovative. However, there are some downsides. The limited customization options can be frustrating for those who want more control over their content. Additionally, the output quality, while decent, may not satisfy users looking for professional-grade videos. There are also concerns about processing times. If you're working on larger projects, it could slow you down significantly. If you're just starting out or need quick content for social media, Haiper could be a good fit. But experienced video editors might want to look elsewhere for more robust tools. In conclusion, Haiper AI is a solid option for beginners wanting to dip their toes into video creation without spending a dime. If you're looking for something more advanced or professional, you might want to explore other alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, but just manage your expectations.